And everyone's bringing their favourite food. I've brought red strawberries, red tomatoes, and red peppers! Yummy! Yay! I'm the first guest to arrive, and I've brought lots of different types of food. Orange satsumas, orange tangerines, and orange oranges! All different, but all very orangey.
Knock, knock.
Hi, Yellow. What food have you brought?
I've brought yellow bananas, yummy yellow corn cobs, and yellow peppers.
Ooh, I've got peppers. Red peppers.
I've brought peppers too. Green peppers, naturally.
Peppers can be different colours. Oh, I love it! What else have you brought, Green?
Green peas and lettuce. That's green too.
Hello, everyone. I've brought all my favourite blue food. Blue blueberries.
But that's only one type of food.
Shh! There aren't very many blue foods.
Greetings! The guest of honour has arrived. Purple is here.
Hello, Purple.
Oh, hello, Your Majesty.
I've brought some purple plums, some purple figs, and some purple passion fruit. Everything you need for a royal feast.
We've got lots of fruit and vegetables in lots of different colours. It's lunchtime.
How about a blue banana?
Bananas aren't blue, they're yellow.
Shall we try it?
What? Colour it a silly colour?
Why not? It'll be funny.
Blue.
Blue bananas are very strange.
Whoa! Come here, blue banana.
Blue bananas are so funny.
Phew! I think I'll stick with yellow bananas. At least they don't chase you.
I think it's time for some more silly colouring.
Yes! Let's see what other things we can colour differently.
Let's do it. Look, I'm going to colour these strawberries yellow.
Exciting! Me next!
some bright green clouds. Green!
Silly colouring makes me happy.
Whoa.
I'm hungry again.
Picnic this way.
Oh no! Which way to Grandma's house? Red and
Yellow.
mix to make orange! Run, run, we're against the clock. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread block.
What are you doing here? This is Little Red Riding Hood, not Little Orange Gingerbread Block.
Well, I know the way to Grandma's, so you can either follow me or stay lost in the forest. You're too fast!
Wait for us!
Goldilocks, the gingerbread block, and Little Red Riding Hood arrived at Grandma's house to find a big blue wolf, but no Grandma.
Big bad wolf! Did you eat Grandma?
No, I don't eat grandmas. I eat blueberries.
Huh?
I'm the big blue wolf. I'm not a bad wolf.
Well, where is Grandma?
Huh.
Wait a minute. Who is Grandma?
Oh, I know. I shall play Grandma.
My Grandma! What a purple face you've got!
All the better to... Is it time for the party yet?
Oh no, I forgot! The balloon popped, the strawberries were eaten, and now the cake is gone! I've ruined Grandma's party! It's okay, Red! We have everything we need here. This is the most colourful party ever!
And they all lived happily ever after.
It's a colourful world. It's a colourful world. It's a colourful world.
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without pink? The colour of seashells, carnations and cake. You'll always find me in a strawberry shake. It's my favourite drink. It's a colourful world. And where would we be without pink?
It's a colourful world, it's a world of colour. And where would we be without brown? The colour of boxes and chocolate spread, my toasty brown socks and my tasty brown bread. And when the leaves fall down, it's a colourful world. And where would we be without brown?
And where would we be without red and blue?
Yellow and green and purple too.
Where would we be without orange and pink and brown?
But this is just the start. There's a whole other part you can do.
Why stop at the rainbow when a colour adventure is waiting for you?
There are millions of colours for you to discover, more than we could ever have known. It's a colourful world, so why not make some colours of your own? Exciting!
It's a desert island.
We're trapped! With no way off.
Except maybe through that door.
Ha-ha! I'll colour it red!
Oh, it's so red. Red? Red! Where are you, Red?
I'm here!
Oh! We couldn't see you against all the red. Let's try a yellow door.
Good idea.
Yellow!
Whoa!
Too bright.
Oh, dearie.
Time to try a blue door. Blue. Good idea, Black. A dark blue door.
We're under the sea.
The deep blue sea. And there's my new friend, Deep Blue.
Greetings, mateys!
Hello! Oh, wow. I love meeting new colours.
Me too. You should also meet Sky Blue. Blue with a touch of white makes sky blue. Whoa! Whoa!
Hello, Colourblocks. Fancy seeing you here.
There you are, Sky Blue. You don't happen to have any parachutes, do you?
I'll just check. Oh, there they are. Parachutes coming up. Blocks away!
It's still duller than oranges, Ball. Oh no, we've made a mess of Orange's gym, and she'll be back soon.
That's all right. Let's play a tidying up game. We'll put these back in order. The redder ones down your end and the more yellowy ones at my end.
Exciting! Here we go. Oh, put that one there. Yes.
Yay! The place is tidy and we've got all the basketballs in order.
Orangey red, reddish orange, the orange we made.
Yellowish orange and orangey yellow.
You've been mixing oranges.
Yes. Sorry.
We couldn't mix anything as bright as your orange, though.
This is fantastic! So many different types of orange. Yellowy orange, reddish orange. I love it!
Yay! Orange loves our different orange colours.
Let's finish colouring and start the class. Orange. Red.
A bit more yellow.
Here we go. Come on, you two. Let's get moving. Yeah. Touch the sky. Let's go. Can you feel the energy? The orangey,
Ready?
Yellowy
Energy!
Magenta and
yellow
mixed to make
red. Woo, 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 we're the printing crew.
Cyan!
magenta.
Yellow. Making lots of colours for you.
Come on, yellow. Oh, cracking.
Wow, nice sign.
Delicious. Whoa.
Thanks, printing crew!
What's the matter, Blue? You're looking a bit blue.
I've invited my friends to a picnic on my dark blue blanket, but none of them have arrived. I don't think they know where I am.
I know. We can print a sign.
That's a great idea.
Cyan and
Magenta
mix
to make
blue!
Woo, 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 we're the printing crew. Making lots of colours for you. Mixing colours the printing way. We're also called CMYK.
Hang on, C is for cyan, M is for magenta, Y is for yellow, but why do you call black K?
K stands for key. Black is the key to dark colours. Oh, you'll see.
Black.
And a touch of black
Makes dark blue.
Wow! A blue like me on a dark blue blanket. My friends will know where I am now. Thanks, printing crew.
Outside there may be raindrops. Inside the fun never stops. It's a grey day, but that's okay. We can be happy and we can still play. A little bit of rain won't get in the way. We can be happy and we can still play. We can play a board game or try stacking blocks. Make a den from cushions or puppets from socks. Hello. Make some paper airplanes and fly them round the place. Make animal noises, moo, run a robot race. A dull day may not be as bright, but it can still be all right. It's a grey day, but that's okay. We can be happy and we can still play. A little bit of rain won't get in the way. We can be happy and we can still play. Join in with the music and feel the beat thump. It's time to dance around now. Jump, jump, jump. Build a cardboard castle or balance on one leg.
Have a treasure hunt now, or try painting an egg.
Outside there may be raindrops. Inside the fun never stops.
Never stops. It's a grey day, but that's okay. We can be happy and we can still play. A little bit of rain won't get in the way. We can be happy and we can still play.
Bye.